Okay, so we've played a game, but how do we review it? If it's the game that we've just played, then we can click here, review the game.
Review started.
And then there will be a separate link to the game where the review will start. For other players to come in, they'll have to click the link. After we've clicked the review this game button, then the link will appear in the chat box. So the other players have to click the link, so they'll be able to go to the review. Let's take a closer look at the review. Here, this button is just regular play. The game has finished at 2 moves, so there is another branch. If we want to create some other branches, then we can do so, like this. This button means that you will only put black stones on the board. This button means that you will only put white stones on the board. This button means that you can doodle on the board. It's great to be able to do that during the courses, to show the thought process easier. You can also click here to make the board clean again. Here is a way to change the color. Here is copying the branch. You can copy a branch, for example, like this. The branch has been copied, so now you can go here and paste the branch. Right, you can also delete a whole branch, like this. So for example, you don't want this branch to be here, so you can just go to the last move that you wish to be deleted, and voila. Okay, so next you can use letters to select some possible moves you wish to talk about. You can also press a letter on the keyboard, and by putting it on the board, it will become that letter. Now you can do the same with numbers. So for example, like this. You can also use other markers like triangles, squares, circles, and X's. When you have the control, then you will put stones on the board and everybody could see them. But if you want other players to have the control, you just click on their names and select Give Control. So now this person can play on the board and we will see that. If we want to take away the control, we just click on our name and press Give Control to pass the control back to us. When we don't have the control and we play on the board, then this variation won't be seen by anybody unless we share the variation. So right now, the person that's interested in what we have to say can hover over the variation to see it. It will also work when we move back. If we hover over the variation, then we'll see the moves. You can also go through the moves one by one by clicking on the move tree. If you ever get lost during a game, for example, you're here in the variation and the teacher is showing something else, then you can either click on the green stone or you can click Sing to go to the place the teacher is showing you.